show, everyone. I'm Allura Marie.
And I'm Sarah Jenkins. Thanks for joining us today. Happy Friday.
We made it. It's Friday. Friday is always a good day. There's a reason why we call it Friday.
Friday. I love it. I know. And we're really excited because we have some swag in here.
We
some
do.
guests in the house.
Tyler came in from Real Salt Lake. We're going to talk about their new jerseys in just a little bit, but we have to show you this. He made us one specifically that says Fresh Living on it. And
how amazing is that?
I love it. And he actually is going to talk to us more about the jerseys, so let's get to that. The following segment is sponsored by Real Salt Lake. In honor of the 10th anniversary of the best chant in Major League Soccer, Real Salt Lake has some very exciting news, and Tyler is here to share it with us. Tyler, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you so much for having me.
We love it. We love it when you're in, and honestly, it is the best chant in the world. We don't have time to do it. We won't do it.
Thank you for not making me sing. I really appreciate it. I sound wonderful in the shower and with 20,000 people around me, but by myself, no thank you.
Okay, we won't do it then. We won't do it. But I have been keeping people on pins and needles. What is the exciting news?
Well, we're wearing it. It's here. The Believe kit, our brand new 2022-2023 primary kit has been unveiled, and we're wearing it right now.
I'm so excited. It came in, and I was over the moon. I squealed. I'm going to keep it real. I was very excited about it.
I like it too. What do you like about it?
Well, I love, okay, so it is, first off, it says my name on the back. How cool is that? That's special for me.
Yeah, I don't even have one of those.
But talk to me about the new jock tag and what it symbolizes.
Oh, so the jock tag, let me pull this out right here, is this wonderful little guy.
Love it.
And it symbolizes when we were announced here in Salt Lake City for Real Salt Lake in 2005, and it represents the entire state and community because we are Utah's team. So, and it's a little bit of a Easter egg for next year's kit. I can't say anything more than that.
But you can't say anything
okay,
more.
that's it.
I can't say anything.
But
so
just,
talk to me how this kit is different than last year.
So last year's kit, so every year we do a different kit. So this year we're doing our primary kit, which is our main jersey that we wear, especially at home, but mostly on the road too. And so the difference between this red kit and our topographical kit is we're getting back to our foundation, our what we are here in Utah. We are the claret and cobalt. And so this is reminiscent of the 2009 championship jersey, which has got a little retro classic feel right here. And with the sleeves. And then you have the nice big panel that leads into our blue shorts. And so when you see us on TV or you're in the stadium, it's like, oh, that's Real Salt Lake. That's our brand. That's our identity. So that's what this kit is so exciting.
I love it. And I know people watching are going to want to know. I'm pretty positive they're going to want these. When and where can they buy them?
They are available right now at the team store. So if you walk in and you go and talk to Jennifer, Nick, or Thomas, they can hook you up with one of these bad boys, and they might even give you one of these fancy dancy collector pins.
How do I get one of those fancy dancy collector pins?
Here's the thing. I need you to be a season ticket member because it's only for them.
Okay, perfect. So exciting. Being at an RSL game, it truly is. The energy is just electric. Where can people go for more information?
You can go to rsl.com. That's always the easiest. Or you can give us a call, and I think that number is right there on the screen.
There you have it. Tyler, we've loved having you. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Go RSL.
Always.